Welcome back to Red Rose Academy. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative financial books ever written, a book that has taken millions of people from chaos to clarity, from debt to freedom, from stress to control. This is the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This isn't a book about shortcuts, miracle investments, or get-rich-fast fantasies. Dave Ramsey brings us something far more powerful, a step-by-step, behavior-based system that reshapes the way you think about money, permanently. And in this video, as always, we're not just summarizing the book, a conversation that breaks the book apart layer by layer, turning every chapter into insights, stories, frameworks, and mindsets you can apply directly to your life. So, take a deep breath. This will shift the way you see money forever.
Absolutely. And before we walk through the famous baby steps, let's answer the big question. Why is this book so influential? Because the Total Money Makeover does something extremely rare. It makes money simple. Dave Ramsey says, money is 80% behavior and only 20% head knowledge. Your financial transformation isn't blocked because you don't understand interest rates. It's because habits, emotions, impulses, and pressures keep pulling you back to the same patterns. This book gives people a system that works, not because it's magical, but because it's doable. And once you start doing it, your entire life begins to shift.
Let's start with the foundation of the book, the mindset shift. Dave Ramsey insists that the first step is deciding you don't want to live like normal people. And who are normal people? They're the ones who always have debt, always wait for the next paycheck, always feel behind, always feel anxious about money, always say, I can't afford that, always survive but never thrive. Dave says it plainly, broke is normal. Don't be normal. This book is an invitation to step out of the average financial trap and build a life with control, peace, and purpose.
The journey begins with something simple, yet life-changing. Save $1,000 as quickly as possible. Why? Because life happens. A tire blows, a phone breaks, a bill comes out of nowhere. Without an emergency fund, every small problem becomes a financial disaster, pushing you back into debt. This $1,000 isn't about wealth, it's about stability. It's about stopping the financial bleeding so you can start healing. Dave Ramsey calls it your first shield.
Now we enter the heart of the book, the most famous and powerful chapter, the Debt Snowball method. Dave says something radical. Forget about paying your debts based on interest rates. Mathematically, yes, higher interest should be paid first. But human beings don't win with math. They win with motivation. Here's the system. List your debts from smallest to largest. Pay minimums on all except the smallest. Attack the smallest one with everything you've got. When it's gone, roll that payment into the next debt. Repeat. Watch the snowball grow. Why does this work so well? Because you get emotional victories early. Each paid-off debt boosts your confidence, your energy, your commitment. And suddenly, something changes inside you. You feel powerful again. People using this method become unstoppable.
Once your debts are gone, except maybe your mortgage, it's time to build real stability. Dave Ramsey says you must save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This isn't optional. This is the foundation of your financial peace. Why is this step life-changing? Because a fully funded emergency fund means you're no longer afraid of unexpected problems. You're no longer dependent on credit cards. You're no longer at the mercy of life's chaos. You finally begin to breathe. Your money stops controlling you. You start controlling your money.
Now things get exciting. Baby step 4 is where you move from defense to offense. Invest 15% of your income for retirement. Dave keeps it simple. Invest consistently, focus on long-term growth, diversify, and stay patient. This step isn't about chasing the hottest investment. It's about building a solid, dependable financial future. You're not just surviving anymore, you're building.
If you have children, baby step 5 is their launch pad. Education is one of the biggest expenses families face, and Dave Ramsey wants people to approach it with intention, not panic. Build a system now so your kids don't carry debt later. This step isn't about luxury. It's about giving the next generation a head start.
Imagine waking up in a house that you own completely. No mortgage, no debt, no pressure. Baby step 6 is about clearing the largest financial burden most people will ever have. Dave Ramsey's message is clear. If you want true financial freedom, you must own your home outright. This isn't easy, but it's the step that separates financial stability from true wealth.
The final step is the step only a small percentage of people ever reach. Build lasting wealth and give. Giving is a major theme in Dave Ramsey's philosophy. He believes generosity is the highest level of financial freedom. When you have control, when you're debt-free, when your investments grow, when your home is paid off, you gain the ability to impact lives, not just your own, but others. This is where life becomes bigger, richer, and more meaningful.
One of the most powerful ideas in the book is that money problems are rarely about money. They're about behavior, overspending, impulse, stress, comparison, lack of planning. Dave Ramsey's system forces you to confront your habits head-on, not with lectures, but with structure.
I love that he breaks the myth that rich people all live flashy lives. He says something brilliant. If you live like no one else now, later you can live like no one else. In other words, sacrifice today, freedom tomorrow. He talks about families who stopped buying flashy cars, stopped keeping up with trends, stopped trying to impress others, and instead focused on one thing: control. And control is what creates freedom.
Another idea that hits hard is the critique of cultural norms. Society tells us debt is normal, monthly payments are normal, car loans are normal, credit cards are normal. Dave Ramsey destroys that myth. Normal is a trap, a slow, invisible cycle that drains your future little by little. This book teaches you to be abnormal in the best possible way.
And let's talk about the psychological shift. During the debt snowball, something happens. People begin to believe again. They see progress, they feel momentum, they experience hope. Financial hope, that's the core of this book. The Total Money Makeover doesn't just fix wallets, it fixes self-belief.
Exactly. And once you reach baby step 7, the world looks different. You're not scared, you're not behind, you're not stressed. You're building wealth so you can help family, support causes you care about, give from abundance, live with peace, build a legacy. Dave Ramsey insists wealth isn't about luxury, it's about impact.
And that's why this book has become a global movement, not because it promises easy money, but because it gives people something far more powerful, a system they can actually follow, a system that actually works, a system that changes lives.
The Total Money Makeover teaches you how to build control, how to eliminate debt, how to protect your future, how to invest wisely, how to build long-term stability, how to create financial peace, and how to transform your life with simple, consistent actions. This book isn't theory, it's a blueprint.
If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts, and share it with someone who needs a financial reset. And if you haven't yet, Subscribe to Red Rose Academy for more deep, powerful book breakdowns designed to help you grow financially, mentally, and personally. Your transformation starts with knowledge, and every week we bring you more.